The only desire that I have to unfold completely, unfold.
Recently, I've been presented with the question of what is the purpose of relationship and how do I master relationship? And so, sit back and relax, lay down, get comfortable, and allow me to reflect to you what you already know. Sometimes we think that the purpose of relationship is to continue the relationship, to maintain an ongoing relationship, where in actuality, the purpose of relationship is to discover who we really are and to create who we desire to be. In mastering relationship, we can take a straightforward approach. One, we can align with love. That is, we choose to live as we want to live without intentional harm or abuse to ourselves or to another person. Two, we choose to drop fear. That is, we choose to live as if there's nothing outside of ourselves that we need from anyone in order to be whole, to be joyous, to be happy, to be fulfilled, to be satisfied. In being fearless, we change our thoughts of need and fear and incompleteness into ideas like, I am whole, I am complete. Everything I need is already inside of me. There is nothing I need outside of myself to be joyous, satisfied, happy, and fulfilled. I have detached myself from the pain of needing any certain outcome. I am detached from the path of expectation. The third step is to create the life that you want. And partners in a relationship can choose to create a unique type of relationship that best serves their individual wholeness as loving human beings. When we realize our wholeness, we can use the questions raised by relationship to evolve into what we want to be and how we want to live. For example, questions like, am I loving myself? Am I loving my partner? Am I dropping fear and need? Am I creative? Am I at ease? Am I being playful? Am I compatible? Which means, does how I want to live enhance the way my partner wants to live, and vice versa? Am I a best friend? Am I authentic? Am I intimate? The answer to these questions of relationship, love, fearlessness, creativity, ease, compatibility, playfulness, friendship, authenticity, and intimacy determine who we really are at any moment. And they also open us to the conscious design of who we want to be in the future. And how we answer such questions determines how we as human beings create love, pleasure, freedom, joy, and growth in the ever-changing experience known as life. We all have the capacity to create powerful partnerships and evolve through any relationship, be it acquaintance, associate, professional, business, i.e. marriage. People often don't understand that marriage is actually a business arrangement. It's governed by business law. That's why you need a license to get married. A parental relationship, familial, teacher, student, sexual, friend, life partners, spiritual relationships, religious relationships, community, national, even global. In every relationship, certainly need and fear will come to us. They'll be hiding as conflict. They usually wear the mask of physical conflict, emotional, mental conflict, social, financial conflict, sexual conflict, creative or spiritual conflict. When they appear, we might consider to welcome them. Look at them as a guide to a wonderful gift. In mastering life, love, and ourselves, our task is 1, to align with love, 2, abandon fear, and then, in that state where we understand our wholeness, that there's nothing we need outside ourselves, even from another person, in order to find joy and happiness, peace, completeness, we can use our own unique creativity, either individually or both partners together, to come up with ways to turn the need and the fear that's hiding beneath that conflict into something beautifully aligned with love. We're all working with relationship. The reason we are doing this work is so that we can discover our greatest gift, our true selves. You are dearly loved, and you're never alone.
The only desire that I have is the desire to unfold completely into the being that I choose to be. The only desire that I have to unfold completely, into the being that I choose to be. And whatever this relationship brings to me, brings to me, that enhances this process of learning and growth. I am totally thankful. I am totally thankful. I am totally thankful, totally thankful.